What's up, Internet? My name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. But before that, shout out muna tayo. Shout out kay Sayo or Sayis, Ruva Parilla, Jessica Hilardez, Avi May Dalida, Christina Padilla, Zayli Kim, John Lloyd Dizon, Farah Aquino, Althea Wu, King Oliver Ke, Gerald Delay or Delay, Kylie Frances Espinosa, Glenn Evangelista, Handra Nanding, and kay Ai or Ai Abreu. Ang hirap ng mga pangalan nyo, may gulay. Ayan, thank you so much guys for watching my videos. And if you want to be mentioned on my next videos, so just drop your names on the comment section below. So a lot of you guys have been requesting me to make a tutorial of this song. So without further much ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Kahit Ayaw Mo Na by this band. So before you should start playing this song, make sure that your ukulele is in the standard tuning. And the standard tuning for soprano and concert ukuleles is G, C, E, A. And if you're done tuning your ukulele, so let's move on to the chords of the song. So in order to play this song, you need to learn 5 basic chords on the ukulele. So for the first chord, we have the chord of D. So just put your index, middle, and fourth. Ayan, and it should look like this. Etong tatlo lang. Ayan, then for the next chord, we have the chord of B-7. So just borrow the entire second fret using your index or it could be your middle finger. Depends upon you. Basta iipit nyo lang dyan sa second fret. And then for the next chord, we have G-flat minor or also known as F-sharp minor. So just put your index, middle, and fourth. That is F-sharp minor or G-flat minor. Paras lang yun. And then we also have the chord of A. This is pretty common. Just put your index and your middle finger here. That is A. And then for the last chord, we have the chord of G. Ayan. Super basic lang din. Index, middle, fourth. Para siyang V. So the next thing that I'll be teaching you guys today is the strumming pattern. And isa lang muna yung strumming pattern na introduce ko for this tutorial. And it is pretty common din. And it is a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Ayan. Yan lang yung strumming pattern na gagamitin natin for today's video. And you can use that strumming pattern for the entire parts of the song. For the intro, for the verses, for the chorus, and for the pre-chorus. So let's take a closer look dito sa ating strumming pattern. So again, as I have said earlier, yung strumming pattern lang na gagamitin natin for the entire parts of the song is down, down, up, down, up. So for the first chord, ayan, position mo dyan, this is the chord of D. Ayan. Since this is a down, down, up, down, up, yung ginagamit ko lang ay etong dalawang daliri na to. Yung thumb and yung index. Then parang, kiniklip ko lang siya, parang ganito. Tapos, para sa down strums natin, yung ginagamit ko lang ay yung index finger, yung kuko ng index finger, ayan. And then for the up strums, I'm just using my thumbnail. Ayan. Down, up, down, up. And since this is a down, down, up, down, up, may ganito siya. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Ayan. So slowly, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, So for the intro, you just have to repeat the chord of D 4 times using that strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So for the verses of the song, tandaan nyo na may 4 lang tayo na chords. So yung chord progression natin dyan is D, B-7, G, and D. That is for the verses. So verse 1, verse 2, verse 3, verse 4, lahat ng verses, yun lang yung chord progression natin. And then just do the strumming pattern twice per chord. So maging ganito siya. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. So let's try to sing the first and the second verse muna. Ayan. Hi, 1, 2, 3, go. Kahit ikaw ay magalit, sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'yo lang aawit. Kahit na ikaw ay nagbago na, Iibigin pa rin kita. pre-chorus, we have the chord progression of G, A, and D. So, tatlo lang yung chords natin for this part. Ayan, and then for the chord of G and A, you just have to do the strumming pattern once. But for the chord of D, you have to do it twice. Okay? So, let's try to sing the pre-chorus. Tatakbo, tatalon, sisigaw ang pangalan mo. Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. And that is for the pre-chorus. So for the chorus, the same pa rin yung strumming pattern natin. Down, down, up, down, up. And then yung chord progression natin for the chorus is G, A, D, G flat minor or F sharp minor. And then we also have B minor 7. And then you have to repeat the chord progression again, and that is for the chorus na chords. So, ayan. So, yung mangyari dito, demo ko muna siya. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, bakit ba kailangan bang umalis? Pakiusap lang na huwag ka nang lumihis. Tayong mag-usap teka lang kayong ito. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin ito. Daling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? So, yung first chord natin dyan sa chorus is a G. Ayan. So, just do this strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. Tapos, after that one, lipat sa A. Down, down, up, down, up. Then, for the part na wag ka nang lumihis, di ba yung chords natin dyan is D, G flat minor, and then we also have B minor 7. So, for the first two down strums of your strumming pattern, yan yung sa chord of D. Down, down. Tapos sa up, down, up. Dapat nasa G flat minor ka na or F sharp minor. Ayan. So, again, down, down, up, down, up. Tapos saka ka na lipat sa B minor 7. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay? So, balik tayo sa G. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. So, bali sa part na yan, sa D and G flat minor, isa lang yung strumming pattern natin, but for the first two down strums, D, and then after the two down strums, diba, up, down, up, dapat nasa G flat minor ka na. And then just do that again, and that is for the chorus. So let's try to sing the chorus again. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, bakit ba kailangan bang umalis? Pakiusap lang na huwag ka nang lumihis. Tayong mag-usap teka lang kayong ito. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin ito. Daling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? So, for the second chorus, yung lapit ng lapit, ako'y lalapit. Ayan. So, sa part na yan, yung natin, yung chord progression natin is D, D minor 7, G, and A. Tapos, yung strumming pattern natin is still the same. Lapit na lapit, ako'y lalapit, layo ng layo, pagka lumalayo, labo ng labo, ika'y malabo, malabo, tayo malabo. Ayan, sa second chorus natin yan. So, we have two chorus for this song. Yung o bakit ba kailangan pang umalis, that is for the first chorus. And sa second part ng chorus, yung lapit ng lapit. Ayan. But for the original strumming, kung gusto nyong malaman, maging ganito siya, guys. Lapit na lapit, ako'y lalapit, layo ng layo, pagka lumalayo, labo ng labo, kay malabo, malabo, tayo malabo. Ayan yung sa original strumming. So, puro down strums lang yun, pero parang staccato siya, guys. Tapos, ayan. So, for the first chord, D, down, 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 down. Tapos, lipat. Basta, puro down strums lang siya. Tapos, lagyan naman yung parang may beat. May isang down strums ka na parang bagsak talaga. Tapos after nung isang bagsak, parang little down strums na parang pabigla. Ganun. First chord D. Bumalik at muli ka ring aalis. Tatakbo ka ng mabilis, yayakapin ng mahigpit. Hirap ba? Di mo alam ang iyong pupuntahan. Kung ako ba ay pagbibigyan o nalilito lang kung saan. Tatakbo, tatalon, sisigaw ang pangalan mo. Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. Oh, bakit ba kailangan bang umalis? Pakiusap lang na wag ka nang lumihis. Tayo mag-usap na kalang kayong mundo. Mo kung iwan, aayusin natin to. Daling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Lapit na lapit, ako lalapit. Layo na layo, ba't ka lumalayo? Labo ng labo, ika'y malabo, malabo. Oh, bakit ba kailangan bang umalis? Pakiusap lang na wag ka nang lumihis. Tayong mag-usap na kalang ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, aayusin natin to. Daling sabihin na ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Kahit ikaw ay magalit, sa'yo lang lalapit. Kahit di ka na sa'kin. Hey guys! So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here. And if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.